Hi there, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sogol Dargahifar and I'm an associate manager and family therapist at Embracing You Therapy. Today we are diving into an important topic that sadly doesn't get enough attention: ADHD in women. While many people think of ADHD as a disorder mostly affecting boys, the truth is women can have ADHD too, and is often missed or misdiagnosed. If you've ever wondered why life feels overwhelming or why keeping up with day-to-day tasks feels harder for you than for others, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down the unique signs of ADHD in women and explain why it can go unnoticed for so long. So let's jump right in. As I mentioned earlier, ADHD is not just for boys and men. Many women grow up believing that ADHD is something only hyperactive little boys have. But ADHD doesn't care about gender. It affects both men and women. But the problem is, ADHD shows up differently in women. And because it doesn't fit the stereotypical disruptive behavior often seen in boys, many women go undiagnosed for years. So what makes ADHD different in women? ADHD in women tends to look more like inattentiveness than hyperactivity. Instead of bouncing off the walls, it may show up as struggling to focus or getting easily distracted, forgetting tasks or appointments, feeling overwhelmed with daily responsibilities, frequently losing things like keys, phone, important documents. Sounds familiar? If so, you are not alone. Many women with ADHD labels like lazy, spacey, or disorganized throughout their lives, even though they are doing their best to keep up. It's not uncommon to feel like you are constantly running behind while others seem to have it all together. Here's another layer. Society has different expectations for women. Women are often expected to juggle work, family, relationships, and home life seamlessly. But for someone with ADHD, these demands can feel impossible. Many women work extra hard to mask their struggles just to appear normal, which leads to exhaustion, shame, and self-blame. Do any of the following thoughts sound familiar to you? Why can't I stay organized like other people? I must be lazy because I can't keep up with housework. I feel like an imposter. How do other people manage so much? Why does it feel like everyone else can handle life so easily? I try so hard, but why do I always fall behind? Why can't I keep up with household tasks like laundry or meal prep without feeling exhausted? If others can juggle work, kids, and home life, why can't I? How come small tasks like paying bills or making appointments feel so overwhelming? Am I lazy or just not good enough? The truth is, it's not laziness or lack of effort. It's ADHD affecting your brain's ability to focus, organize, and manage time. Because ADHD in women often flies under the radar, it's easy to misdiagnose it as anxiety or depression. And while these conditions can coexist with ADHD, treating just anxiety or depression may not fully address the root of the problem. Women with ADHD also tend to experience rejection sensitivity, which is feeling deeply hurt by even small rejections, social isolation, struggling to maintain friendships or relationships. Risky behaviors, from impulsive shoppings to unsafe sexual choices. Many women feel they are constantly fighting to stay organized and hold it all together, leaving little energy for fun and relaxation. Women with ADHD also often experience more central nervous system sensitivities than men. This means they can be more easily overwhelmed by sensory input than others might barely notice. Women with ADHD often report experiencing a range of challenges, including certain fabrics or clothing tags or unexpected touches may irritate them. They may struggle with managing their emotions, leading to intense mood swings or difficulty coping with the stress. They often face challenges in social settings, such as maintaining conversations or understanding social cues. Loud music, bright lights, or strong smells might feel overwhelming. Even routine settings like crowded stores or social gatherings can leave them emotionally exhausted. Recurring issues like headaches, migraines, stomach pain, or nausea are also frequent experiences. They also struggle to fall asleep, stay asleep, or wake up feeling rested. Another factor that makes ADHD different for women is their hormones. ADHD symptoms tend to worsen during times of low estrogen, like before your cycle or during menopause. This fluctuation can make symptoms feel inconsistent, which might leave you wondering, why do I feel okay some days, but completely overwhelmed on others? This hormonal roller coaster is a common experience for many women with ADHD, and knowing this can help you to be kinder to yourself on the tough days. So, what can help? The good news is that help and treatment options are available. If you think you might have ADHD, reaching out to a mental health professional experienced in ADHD is the first step. They can provide a proper diagnosis and explore treatment options, which might include therapy to help you manage symptoms and reframe negative thoughts by using CBT or cognitive behavioral therapy techniques, medication to improve focus, but it's important to work with someone who understands how hormones impact ADHD symptoms, support groups where you can connect with others and set achievable goals, and restructuring your environment to reduce clutter and stress. Support from family and friends is also key. If your loved ones understand how ADHD affects you, they can better support you without judgment. If any of this resonates with you, know that you are not alone. Many women with ADHD have felt misunderstood or struggled silently for years. But understanding what's really going on can be empowering. You are not lazy, disorganized, or failing. Your brain just works a little differently, and that's completely okay. Remember, ADHD is manageable with the right tools and support. If you suspected you have ADHD, reach out to a mental health professional and start the journey toward a better understanding of yourself. You deserve to thrive just like anyone else. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on mental health and wellness. And hey, if you know someone who might benefit from this information, feel free to share this video with them. Let's spread awareness and support each other. Until next time, take care of yourself. You've got this.